What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. So let's get right into the video. Once you've logged into your Facebook account, head over to the hamburger menu, and if you scroll down you'll be able to see an option settings and privacy, and head over to settings. Go to your Meta account center and go to your personal details. And here you can see an option account ownership and control, and here you can deactivate or delete your accounts. So go to that and select deactivation or deletion. Select your desired account. Here, as we want to deactivate our account, click on continue. And all you have to do is currently give your current password of your Facebook, and then your account will be temporarily deactivated. And that's it. This is how you can deactivate your account temporarily. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.